Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black, back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, man, today's a big day, man, with the feds. But before we do anything, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Keep bringing you guys good content. And, man, we had a great January, guys, as you guys can see. And, you know, we up almost 40% for the month. We did go over 40%, had a little decline. But, man, you know, end of the month, very green. As you guys right here see. And we're looking to see, man, we might have a good February. Black History Month. So shout out to everybody out there, you know what I mean, about to celebrate Black History Month all month. We celebrate all year, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, guys, we see in February, usually, you know, have a good year. You know what I mean? 2014, we didn't have a great year, but most of the time, we have a good year. And the other time when we did have a bad year, it wasn't really that bad. We had a red year, it wasn't really that bad, down only 8%. So you guys see this right here. If you guys don't see this chart, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Make sure you follow us on all different social medias. Again, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Right down below, guys, check out all our social medias. And I'm telling you right now, I'm going to tell you this is why I say check out our social medias, man, because you know what I mean? You know your boy, man, he be dropping some stuff, man. I think Harmony is one of the coins a lot of people sleeping on, over 120%. I mean, the last 30 days. Last night I tweeted out the winners, man. I said I'm liking MLS goal. I'm liking an MLS win goal at the moment. You know what I'm saying? I'm liking it. And then what happened? Boom, baby. Went up over 5%. Actually went up a little bit higher than that, but I closed out 5% earnings. You know what I mean? You can check the times, baby. And also, man, we had the other winner, man. We had another winner, man, last night. I mean, a lot of people was eating off of as well. So, and I said, hey, what should I trade tonight, baby? What should I trade tonight? And you know, we had different winners, man. So from, you know, I mean, this was a runner. This was a runner last night. So Hero Coin. What we talked about? Hero Coin gets BTC. Hero Coin, baby. And what we do? What did Hero Coin do? Boom, up over 10%. You know what I mean? So, guys, this type of things, man, you want to look out for. We got some different things running. So, you know what I mean? We 2 for 2 in the last 24 hours, baby. So, but yeah, man. So make sure you guys follow us on Twitter at the Crypto Black, man. I like posting out different things, man, for people to see, people to trade, or just follow me. You know what I mean? I'm not giving you any advice. I'm just saying just follow me, see what I'm looking at, and if you guys want to learn how I actually trade, then you know what I mean, just let me know. Then we get things going. But man, we might get this stuff going over here right now as well. So man, we're gonna talk about the feds, man. The feds today. You know what I mean? So we know some people are saying, hey, and you can see right here what's trending on Twitter. The feds, 25 basis points, 50 basis points, FOMC. This is what everybody is talking about on Twitter. So everybody who's anybody is talking about this. This is what we want to know what's going on. So, you know what I mean? We're going to check that out and see. But before we do anything, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently at $22,972. So Bitcoin has been running up. Guys, we have a nice little trend. Bitcoin is sitting right on my support resistance, guys. I've been having it sitting there all day. I've been telling you guys for months where my support resistance is at. Right here on live, it's documented. And we have been sitting there, and we've been staying right between the support resistance of 22.8 up to 23.9. So you guys can see right here, running back and forth, as you guys can see, and we've been running like that ever since January 23rd. So guys, you know what I mean? The stuff is there. It's already there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't making anything new. It's just there. So we had this upward trend. We don't want to break this trend line down. So we don't want to get below this 22.9 closed. That's closing for the day. We're gonna wick all day long. We want to close. We want to do a push up. So let's keep riding that trend up. See if we can get. I have my alert right here at 23.9. So as soon as Bitcoin pushes above 23.9. Then I'm gonna keep checking my volume, make sure everything is looking fine, and then you know what I mean we'll keep that pushing all the way up. But you know I think everyone already thinking 25 basis points for today. If we got anything higher, we could see the market push down. But guys, if you're gonna trade, make sure you're only trading that 5 minute candle. If you're gonna do a trade, just follow that volume, get in, make your money, and get out. Just trade that 5-minute candle. You keep going, you keep playing around with it. You know what I mean? It can hurt you. It can hurt you. So, but yeah, man, let's see what's going on, man. So it says, so Bitcoin is saying that Bitcoin little change on soft economic data ahead of Fed meeting. Yeah, I'm saying a lot of this stuff, you know, we had a lot of big earning week this week. We had a lot of things happening this week, but nothing supersedes the Fed rate decision, guys. Nothing supersedes the Fed rate decision. People are still going to be cautious. They're going to wait and see, you know what I mean, before they start throwing any big money or you seeing any big trends going on, right? So as you guys can see right here, in the last few days, Bitcoin just been sitting just like this. No big moves like it was, like, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? So we would call it a lot of vibe, especially on this day right here, a lot of movement that day. So, you know, you're going to see, and then right here, a lot of movement that day. But right here, the last couple of days, it's just been chilling. All right? So, guys, you want to make sure you chill out, especially during Fed week. So Wednesday morning, ADP jobs and ISM manufacturing reports both came in weaker than expected. Private hiring slowed to its weakest level in 2 years, according to ADP National Employment Report, with just 106,000 jobs added in January. In addition, the manufacturing sector continued to contract, with the ISM manufacturing survey for January dipping to 47.4. Bitcoin barely knows the news, continuing to trade the flat over the last 24 hours and just above 23 grand. Let me see what's going on here. Make sure everything's working fine.
I believe the world out there is...
I have a lot of technical difficulties. It seems like it's, oh, there we go. So everything was fine. All right, cool. So it says, after a brutal 2022, the crypto has moved higher so far this year, in part, and many are expecting a slowdown in the economy and inflation, and perhaps easier monetary policy from the U.S. Federal Reserve. So it says ADP reports 106,000 jobs added was a slowdown from an upwardly revised 253,000 in December, and well shy economic forecast of 480,000. So it says, and man, California, man, it's the weakest report since a negative print in January 2021. ADP took note of weather-related disruptions, likely the California storms, during this survey reference week in the middle of the month. Yeah, a lot of things been happening in California, man. A lot of things. It says coming in 47.4, ISM survey was down 48.4 in December, and short expectations of 48. It was the weakest level since May of 2020. So you're gonna start seeing as we release the market fully expected FOMC to hike the benchmark federal funds rate to just 25 basis points to the 4.75 range. Eyes will be focused on committee. Yeah, I think he'll do 25 3 in a row. So that's my prediction. I think he'll do 25 3 in a row, and then you'll start seeing another pivot. You know, so we'll see how that rolls when the Fed's just in and when they go to that pivot, when they pause that second, and when they do that, open up that pivot, do that next pivot. So we'll see how that roll out. But I think it'll be three basis. I think 25 basis points. Get them to where you want to be at, or maybe four. You know, or he could do a 50 and then 225. I don't know. I think. Yeah, I think maybe 3. I think 3 more than a pause. Looking at February. Nah, I think I'll do 4. I think I'll go one more. I think I'll go one more percent. I think I'll go up 100 basis points before pausing. I think they don't want to be embarrassed, because right now they're embarrassed because they have that egg on their face right now because they say inflation is transitory. So I don't think they want to be wrong twice, but usually Feds always get it wrong. So, you know, they never really get it right. But man, a lot of people want to know, we had a nice push up with Bitcoin early and yesterday. And reason why, because a big win for crypto, a big win for altcoins. Bitcoin's safe. Altcoins is the one, you know what I mean? It got little issues, you know what I mean? So since Libre token soared 67% as holders turn hopeful that secondary sales won't be barred. According to an unaffiliated attorney, the judge in the case may be poised to allow secondary sales of Libre token to continue. Because it wouldn't against the SEC. So it's the price of Libre tokens have risen 67% social media chatter celebrating crypto Twitter is interpreting as a significant win in Libre battle with the SEC. According to attorney John Deaton, founder of crypto law and managing partner of the Deaton law firm, judge the case may be poised to allow secondary sales of Libre token to continue. SEC took action against a file sharing and payment network in March 2021, contending that it has sold an unregistered security. The company replied that its LBC token was not a security at all, but a digital currency. The protocol operator lost that case in November, citing what Libre said was a dangerous precedent that could lead to all cryptocurrencies being treated as securities. Monday, focus turned to the question of whether secondary market sales should be also included in an injunction that the SEC wanted the court to approve, which would prohibit the sale of LBC on crypto exchanges. On this specific point, Deaton, who was affiliated with Libre, but also previously raised concern in the SEC case against crypto payments company Ripple, appeared as a miscurage, a friend of the court. According to Deaton, the district judge in New Hampshire overseeing the injunction told him, "I'm going to make it clear that my order does not apply to secondary sales." So this is good. A transcript of proceedings is not yet available, but it appears Deaton's words have been enough to give hope to LBC. So that's why, crypto pushed up, because it's like a big push for the altcoins. Because SEC can be coming down on altcoins again. Bitcoin is safe. Bitcoin is not considered a security. Bitcoin considered a property. Bitcoin considered commodity, just like oil, gold, everything else. So Bitcoin is safe. Ethereum according to CFTC, is considered a commodity as well, and so everything else. But Gary Gensler, the head of SEC, he's talking about Ethereum right now. He's like, he's not too happy with Ethereum. He's a Bitcoin maxi, just to give you guys a heads up. So everything else, it ain't safe. It ain't safe. But we'll see how it goes. With this right here, this proceeding. But it's a good win. That's why you see crypto push up yesterday a little bit because of that. Now Cardano has been in the news. We've been waiting. The Cardano stablecoin DJED TVL hits 10 million in 24 hours. 88 up 4%. The stablecoin has a circulating supply of 1.7 million, while its reserve token supply is at 20.8 million according to data on the official site. Total value asset locked Cardano over collateralized stablecoin DJED, which we all been waiting for years. 10 million during the first 24 hours of its launch, according to DeFi Yama data. Available data on DJED website shows that the stablecoin has a circulating supply of 1.7 million, while reserve token SHIN's supply is at 20.8 million. Says Cardano project integrate DJED. Several decentralized exchanges on Cardano like Wing Riders, MuleSap, and MinSwap were among the earliest platforms to list the stablecoin. Besides that, Cardano projects like Fluid have integrated the stablecoin as a liquidity option against loans. Fluid will allow its users to borrow DJED using the NFTs as collateral. And if you are in NFTs, don't sleep on Cardano NFTs. Get you to a lot of good parties too. Trust me. I personally been inside of them. So it says Cardano ADA is up 4% over the last 24 hours. To 38 cents as of press time, according to Crypto Slate data. The Layer 1 blockchain network token has risen by over 50% in the last 30 days. And meanwhile, Cardano DeFi activity has also benefited from DJ's launch. The total value assets locked within the ecosystem rose by 22% to 91.4 million in the last 24 hours. And guys, a lot of people want to know, they want these stable coins because when they're able to trade on these different dexes, they want to be able to trade in and out of stables. So they're actually they actually can save some money during a downward push. So these type of things there you want to look out for when you are actually trading. And this is why this was pretty big news, especially for Cardano, because if you are using these dexes, you instead of you trying to swap out of that this altcoin that's inside the Cardano ecosystem, and you only can swap back into Cardano. And if the whole market is turning down, you just swap them back into a asset that's going down as well in value for the traders. And but if you can just trade into a stable coin, then a lot of people are pretty much happier with that when they get trade. But we'll open up for Q&A real quick, guys, and get everything going. But again, make sure you guys follow us on Twitter. So we be all set and ready to go. The Fed do not. It's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so in about less than 40 minutes, we're gonna have a rate decision. So I'm going to be off here. I'm gonna be in and get my, go and get my money, get my shmoney. You know what I mean? Get my trade. Like I said, guys, 5-minute candle. I like being on a 5-minute candle when that happens, guys. When that actually do happen, so I'm able to see how I look on the 1 hour. And I see the push. You see the push. You're going to see a push right before, like, literally, like, 10 seconds before, 10, 20 seconds before 2 p.m. So you just look at the candle, and you have a candle countdown right here anyway. And you can look at the candle and see, okay, cool. Let's, I like to trade on 5-minute. And we're right here, man. We're right here. So we can have that push up, and we can keep going. So, but yeah, I like to trade. I look at the countdown right here, so you can see, and you'll see a push up or a push down, and make sure when you in it, I'm only in it for 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, that's it. Take that money and run, guys. Take that money and run. Read that volume, what's coming in, and then or what's going out. The money coming in or going out, but just read that volume, and then you'll be all set and ready to go. Man, it works like a charm, baby, especially during the Fed rates. Don't trade if you're not really a good trader. Don't trade while he's talking because he can say different things. People want to see if they're going to be hawkish or dovish. You know what I mean? I think he's still going to be hawkish. It's still early, guys. I think a lot of people... See, we're in the stage right now, or should I say, in the last 15 years where we want the information right now. We want everything to change right now. We want a full-blown ship to turn within 2 minutes. Doesn't work like that. You're going to see the bull market come back into 2024, really 2025. This year is going to be the year of just licking our wounds, guys, from 2022. And you still got to wait for the economic effects of all these rate hikes that happened in 2022 and it's going to happen inside 2023 as well. Those effects haven't really hit yet. Yes, inflation is turned down a little bit, but it's still very, 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 very high. The Fed's want to get to 2%. The inflation is about 6%, I believe. So you want to make sure that you're not going to try to jump. Don't try to fight the Fed. Don't try to think you're smarter than the Feds. Don't try to jump ahead of things. You're still gonna have pain. Pain still gotta come. And real good, strong pain is going to come, I'm seeing this year. I think the market going to push up in the beginning. I think then we'll have the effects of the rate decisions that's been increasing in the last year. And then after the bailouts and everything, and the Fed start doing their third pivot, when they start cutting rates, then we'll start seeing the bull getting to the bull market. But it's not gonna be quick and fast in a hurry like a lot of people think it is. Let's ask some questions, then we out of here, baby. The Fed raised the rates? No, did not. Wait to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when you're gonna have that rate decision. And man, it's gonna be a good one. You're gonna, people gonna make their money then. Let's see right here. But let's check out Ethereum as well. See what ETH is doing. Go to the 1 day on ETH. But like I said, man, we still here. We want to make sure we get above this number. I set my alerts right here at 23.9. ETH, same thing. Push down. Yeah, we said I gotta get above 15.95. 15.95 for Ethereum. For ETH, but another coin, man, is still pushing up. It doesn't matter, man. It's relentless. Litecoin, baby. Litecoin. People not talk about I always tell people about Litecoin for years. One of my favorite coins. The coin a lot of people forget about. And I think with Litecoin, baby, it's relentless. It's been around. It's been around. It stood the test of time, baby. It stood the test of time. Also, we have the halving for Litecoin coming up in the next few months. And yeah, man. And I'm loving what Kathy Wood, she's saying. She said by 2030, she's still holding on to that $1 million Bitcoin 2030. So 2030, not that long from now. Not that long. It's not that long from now, guys. But yeah, we're dealing with Litecoin, man. It has a strong community, strong network. You know, people still mining, still making their money from Litecoin. It's going pretty much on all exchanges. So I'm telling you right now, man, you know, just don't sleep on Litecoin. It's relentless. And when Bitcoin make a move, Litecoin makes a move 5 times bigger and faster. And I've been telling you all that for years. So if people don't want, people, if you listen, I'm telling you, listen to me well. When Bitcoin makes a move, Litecoin makes it a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? But that's both ways. So it's both ways. But it has been relentless, though, in the last few months in regards to even when Bitcoin is down, Litecoin still pushes up. So this is you know, having some type of depegging, but when Bitcoin pushes up like crazy, Litecoin is really doing its numbers. So I just want you guys to understand that. All right, Bitcoin's a turtle, Litecoin's a rabbit, baby. but yeah. But besides that, man, we don't have any more questions. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to anyone and everyone out there, wherever you are. But besides that, guys, we'll get up out of here, man. Get ready for these rate decisions. Like, again, guys, trade only the 5-minute charts. Trade only the 5-minute charts. That's even if you're in crypto, if you're in the stock, whatever you're doing, trade only 5-minute charts. Don't try to outsmart the market. Read the volume, and then go in and do your own thing. Have your support and resistance. Take your profits. Don't be too greedy. And if you are trying to be a little bit greedy, just adjust your stop loss if you're in the green. Just adjust your stop loss to where you're not losing any money if you're in the green. All right? But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. Follow me on Twitter, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Twitter and Instagram, guys. Make sure you follow me. You don't want to miss out. I'll tweet a lot of good things. Quinta, it's coming, and it came. Quinta, it's coming, and it came. And it's came. I told you guys on 25th it's coming, and it came, baby. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys will follow me on Twitter and open up the things I'm posting, because I ain't posting nothing just to post it. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, but besides that, man, we up out of here, baby. You know, Venus Protocol printing out on the stables. So if you got your money sitting sideline, Venus Protocol printing out on the stables, 6.71%, 5.28% on the stables. So, you know what I mean? So make sure people open up the pictures when they look at things, man. So yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sat and chill. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.